What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and yes, finally, we're going to run our Ubuntu image that we created within Docker. So let's get right into it. All right, so on the last video, we left off here. Great. Let's head over to the command prompt. And within the command prompt, we are going to type in the following: Docker run with a switch of IT, with another switch of user, root, and the name of our image, right? And just hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, you should get a command prompt. This is a good sign, trust me. If you want to double check, head over to the Docker desktop application and then go into containers. And there goes our container. Yes, it is up and running. Beautiful. So what I did, which I typically do, I head over to the command prompt and I ran the following command: apt-get update, hit enter. It started getting updates. This is good. Once it was done, I ran the following: apt-get upgrade. This is something that I always do. This is like a habit of mine. I hit enter. It started pulling everything down. Great. Now, the next command that I did was Python 3. So I did an apt-get install Python 3. I just want to make sure it is up and running. It's already installed, so they didn't need to do anything. Now, the next command was Python 3-pip. When I hit enter, this needed to be installed. I click Y on the keyboard and hit enter, and it started pulling everything and installing everything within that container, which was great. Now, the whole reason that I'm starting my Docker journey is because I'm learning how to use Ansible. So I need to install it within this container. So I ran the following command and I hit enter. I'm going to click on Y on the keyboard and then hit enter, and it's going to start installing. Now, to make sure it is installed and it is running the latest and greatest version, I ran the following command. I hit enter, and it gave me this, which is great. It's installed. It's ready for me to continue my journey learning this particular tool for my system admin journey and my life. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to push out more Docker stuff because you are able to push out multiple images as well as multiple containers using a single image, using a, what's it called? I forgot the name of it. A YAML, something like that file. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.